Hello, good afternoon. Snow is now the weather word as we head into this weekend. Already bitterly cold and into that cold air, an area of rain turning to snow where there could be possibly up to 40 centimetres over our highest hills. Some very disruptive weather on the way for many as we head into the weekend. So into that cold air, it's this system working its way in from the southwest for us by Saturday evening and more so overnight into the first half of Sunday. Bit of a question mark as always with these systems about where the mild air will come in, but that could in turn produce some freezing rain for the likes of Derbyshire for a time, but certainly over our high ground that snow will continue for much of Saturday night and the first half of Sunday. So we're really looking at some disruptive weather into the weekend. Overnight tonight, some widespread frost to begin, perhaps lifting a little but producing some fog patches into the early hours. We stay mostly dry and bitterly cold as we head into Saturday. Saturday day, mostly dry. There will be some cloud around, a frosty start, foggy start, hazy sunshine at best. But as we head into the afternoon, into that cold air, we look to the southwest for the area of rain working its way in. Very disruptive. Please stay tuned to the forecast. It's really nasty conditions, particularly over high ground. Hello, good afternoon. Amber weather warnings in place now for the weekend, especially Saturday night into Sunday morning, where over our highest ground up to 40 centimetres of snow. Some very significant and disruptive weather on the way for some parts of the region as we head into the next couple of days. The air over us bitterly cold, moving into this area of rain, which will readily turn to snow. It could fall back as rain to lower levels, but perhaps freezing rain for parts of Derbyshire for a time, but right over our highest hills and even at lower levels as we head through into Sunday morning, we could see some continuous and disruptive snow. In the meantime, overnight tonight, we look at a frost to begin and perhaps lifting those temperatures a little bit, but producing some fog patches into the early hours. So frost and fog are main culprits overnight tonight and bitterly cold, sub-zero for many as we head into the early part of Saturday. Now, Saturday day will be mostly dry. A cold start, potential for some fog patches, high clouds, so hazy sunshine at best, but we're dry and bitterly cold, and it's into that cold air that the area of rain pushes in, and it looks like it could snow certainly in parts of the region for all of Saturday night and Sunday morning, so that is significant. Please stay tuned to the forecast over the next 48 hours.